July 27th shakedown run, a little over 5 hours down to Panama City Beach. I've got 95% of my gear on the bike, and I still haven't finished sorting everything out, but I need to get down to Florida to help my mom get some more tags, but also I figured it would be a good chance to shake down a majority of my gear. I've traveled with most of this stuff before, but I've got some new additions, and just want to make sure it's all gonna not fall off the bike. And I mean, I've got other concerns too, but no use spending a lot of time concerned, worried about crap that doesn't make a lot of sense. So if I could just get out of the yard without dumping the bike in the wet grass, that would be a huge start to the day. It's off-road day every day. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Looks like rain towards the end, maybe sometime this afternoon. And I'm still struggling to get used to riding this bike once again. Welcome to Greenbow, Alabama.
You should go home to Greenbow, Alabama.
I don't recognize this place. It's been a long time since I've been down here. My first stop. I'm filling up. I think I had about 14 more miles to go before running out of gas. At least that's what my dash was telling me. And I'm driving through the most desolate part of Alabama. Greenville, Camden, all this. There's almost nothing down here. Just miles and miles of highway. But I get off the bike and start looking, make sure nothing's leaking, nothing's falling off. And I see this guy. I'm hoping he's not going to be too hard to pull out of there. But I even know where he came from. It's a big stick in the middle of the road, and I wasn't paying attention, and I ran smack over it, and it was pointed in my path. And apparently I popped it up just enough to wedge it underneath the bike. I'm guessing it's just underneath. Yeah, it just went. Wow, that could have done some damage. Yeah, it just went under the center stand, got lodged up under the center stand, but busted it up pretty good. Yeah, I always warn people about sticks riding out in the woods. Never underestimate what a stick will do to your bike and your foot, because it'll pop up and it does all kinds of weird stuff. I've been popped in the feet, in the shins, in the knees by sticks, especially the long skinny sticks, because they tend to do weird things. They pop up and just pop you. I didn't see this one until the last minute. I guess I probably wasn't paying attention, but it was right dead in my path, and I hit it, and now it's under my bike, so I got to pull that out. So I had several reasons to ride to the beach this week. Besides shaking down my motorcycle and the luggage, I also had to help my mom out, and one of the interesting things I had to help her do is score some black tar heroin. Actually, it's medical marijuana, and we are hoping that this will help her sleep. But kind of interesting. It looks a lot like heroin. Squeeze it out of a tube onto a cracker. Wow. But anyway, that's one of the interesting things I did at the beach.
Yeah.
Down the hatch. Ebro, Florida. It's about 6:30, and apparently I'm 30 minutes ahead of every auto parts place in Florida. So I think I'm gonna fly the drone over Camp Helen, which is also closed. So we got that taken care of, and we're a few more minutes closer to opening time for the auto parts store, so I can pick up some oil and go ride around in the rain back to Alabama, Destin, Florida. And I just went in and bought a quart of oil before I checked the oil. I checked the oil this morning, but apparently I didn't check it. The ground was flat, but I didn't lean it up. I didn't put it on the center stand. Just put it on the center stand after I got the oil. And it's fine. The oil's fine. So I stuffed the my fresh quart of oil in my duffel bag, and I am off, head north back to Alabama. These sudden rainstorms require me to secure my phone in the tank bag. So it's just a passing drizzle, but you never can be too sure. There's not a lot of consequences for being too cautious. I need my phone. I mean, it's a cheap phone, but still. Just in case you have not caught on, I am about to ride my motorcycle across America. Well, halfway across to the Rockies anyway. I'm thinking right now southern Colorado, northern New Mexico area, And I'm looking for interesting stops along the way. I'm not in a huge hurry to get out there, but I am hoping to be out there sometime this weekend. And if you've got anything interesting that you have any suggestions, that some stops along the way, I'd love to hear them. Pop them in the comments below and let me know. Where do you think I should stop and see on the way?